we are going to solve this question about inverse functions. So we want the inverse function of f of x equals x minus 6 over 3x minus 1. So the first thing that you want to do to find the inverse function is to switch the variables. So where you see where really this is y equals x minus 6 over 3x minus 1, to find the inverse function, we switch the x and y. So we end up getting x equals y minus 6 over 3y minus 1. To continue, so we want to get y alone to figure out the inverse function in terms of y. So what we want to do is we want to cross multiply, and we're going to solve for y. So we end up getting 3xy minus x equals y minus 6. Now what we want to do is we want to bring the y's over to one side, and we're going to bring the x over to the other side. So I am going to subtract y on this side. And so I get 3xy minus x minus y equals negative 6. But now I'm going to add x to this side. And so what's going to end up happening is you get 3xy minus y equals x minus 6. Now, in order to solve for y, in order to get y alone, what you have to do is you have to factor this. And when you factor it, we're going to do GCF. So y is common, and you're left with 3x minus 1. And then you divide both sides by 3x minus 1. And it ends up, which is very interesting, that the inverse function is the same as the original. So that is your inverse function. F inverse of x is equal to x minus 6 over 3x minus 1. And now to find the next question, part B, what we're going to do is we're going to substitute in negative 5. So we're going to do F inverse of negative 5 is negative 5 minus 6 over 3 times negative 5 minus 1, which is negative 11 over negative 15 minus 1. You get negative 11 over negative 16, which is positive 11/16. Okay, I hope you got that.